Hi viewers, welcome. In this video, in this class, we are going to continue with our lessons on what number base system. But before we look at that, what we have for today's class. Now let's look at the classwork or the assignment that was made to us. Now we have 1011 base 2 plus 101 base 2. Now we have to add the solution. Now to this solution, we have 1011 base 2 plus 101 base 2. Now 1 plus 1 is what? 2, right?
Yes.
2 divided by 2 is what? 1 minus 0. So right at the remainder here. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 0 is 1, I mean. 1 plus 1 will carry this 2. 2 divided by 2 is what? 0. 1 minus what? 0. 0, right? Right down 1. So 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 will carry 2 divided by 2 is 1 minus 0, right? Right at the remainder carry 1, I mean. So 1 plus 1 here is what? 2. So the same thing. So that is the what? That is the answer. Now for the second one, we add 2, 3, 4 base 6 to be added to 102 base 1 base 6. Are we together? So you now 2 plus 4 plus 6 is what? 6. 6 divided by 6 is what? 1 minus 0. So right now 0 carry 1, I mean. 3 plus 0 is what? 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 1 will carry 4. Is 4 equals or greater than 6? Less than. So you write it down, right? So 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 is it less than equals or greater than 6? Less than, right? So we are going to have what? 3 base what? Base 6. So that's the answer for that. Now let's go to the third one. Now the third one, we have 202 base 4 to subtract 103 base what? Base 4. Now 2 minus 3, how many times can you is it equal to remove 3 items from 2 items? No. So how are we going to do now? We cannot borrow from here, right? So borrow from here, here we have 1, right? The 1 turn to what? 4. So on food here come 4, Abi. So we have the 4. Now we see borrow remember what? 3. We bring the 1 here to come 4, Abi. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. So we have this 6 here. 6 minus 3 is what? 3, right? 3 minus 0 is what? 3. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So our final answer is what? 3 base what? Base 4. So that is that for what? For the what? For the questions. So I believe that I'm not got it. Alright, so that's the what's the question. So now let's go to what we have for today's class. Now in today's class we are going to be looking at practical number based questions that lead to what? To equations. Now in this system, there are sometimes either one, when a number is expressed in a particular base, there are sometimes either one of the digits or the base itself will be made or no, will be represented by what? Will be represented by a letter. Now, how do you do such a case? Now, just one method or one trick you use to simplify it. Anytime a letter is present in a number expressed in a base, in a particular base, while the number is part of the digit, there is details, the letter is part of the digit, right? Like but in this case, the letter is the word, is the base. Whether it is the base or it is the digit, try to convert it to what? To base 10. If the number is already expressed in base 10, leave it like that. Leave it like that. So in the process of converting it to base 10, you will find out that you will not be able to simplify or look for the word unknown. Now, that sometimes when you are converting it to base 10, especially wanting to convert it to base 10, you find out that the equation will lead you to either linear equation, quadratic equation, sometimes simultaneous equation. So at that instant or at that particular time, your knowledge or your idea on what linear, quadratic and simultaneous equation will now come to play. Are we together? So now let's move. Now for the first one now, we are told that if 2 cube 3 base 5 is equal to 77 base 8. Are we together? Find q. Now remember I told you that if they are not in base 10, try to convert to base 10, right? So now is any of them expressed in base 10? No, right? So we convert both to what? To base 10. So now 2 for the first one solution. For the first one, we have 2 cube 3 base 5 equal to 77 base 1 base 8. Now I want to convert each of them to what? Base 10. So remember we have the number we have 0 1 2 abi 0 1 1. Now let's go. 2 times 5 raised to the power of what? 2, right? Plus what? Q times what? 5 raised to the power of what? 1 plus what? 3 times 5 raised to the power of what? 0 equals to 7 times 8 raised to the power of what? 1 plus 7 times 8 raised to the power of what? 0. Are we together? Now let's continue. 2 times 5 times 5 is what? 25, right? Plus Q times 5 raised to the power 1 is what? 5 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. Of course, anything raised to the power 0 is equals to what? 1, right? Now equals to 7 times 8 raised to the power 1 is what? 8 plus 7 times 8 raised to the power 0 is what? 1, right? Times 1, sorry, times 1. Now let's continue. 2 times 5 is what? 50 plus 5 cube times 5 is what? 5 what? 5 cube plus 3 times 1 is what? 3 equal to 7 times 8 is what? 7 times 8 is what? 58, 56, 51, 56 plus 7 times 1 is what? 7, right? So now let's add this word for the left hand side. We are going to have 53, right? Plus 5 what? 5 cube equals to this plus this is what? 61, 63, right? So now what we're going to do? Carry 53 to over, right? We will have what? 5 cube is equal to what? Of course, from this place, you know that we have started linear equation, right?
Yes.
So now 53 minus what? 63 minus 53, right? That equals what? 5 cube is equal to what?
10.
Is equal to what? 10, right? So what we're going to do here? Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by what? 5. So 5 here, we are going to just what? Cube. 5 into 10, 1. 5 into 10 is what? 2. So our right hand side is what? 2. Q is equal to what? Q equals to 2. So it therefore means that the value here was what? Was Q. Was what? 2. So Q was represented, 2 was represented by what? By Q. So that is what? That is the answer. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together? So now let's move on to the what? The second one. Now, permit me to fill this space.
Yeah.
So they said in S base 10 is equal to 2, 3 base 5. Find the value of what? Find the value of S. So this is second one. This is second one. S base 10 is equal to what? 2, 3 base what? Base 5. Remember I said that in number based listening to equation, it is either the base will be the letter or any of the digits will be the word, will be the letter. In any of the cases, try the simple trick, or the only trick is that try to convert it to word base 10. But if the number is already expressed in base 10, you leave it and convert the one that is not base 10, right? Now S base 10 is only base 10, right? So we need to convert this one, isn't it? So how are we going to convert? We are going to convert 2, 3 base 5 to base 1 to base 10. So we are going to be having, and let's continue. If you understand that now, we are going to be having S base 10 equals to, remember here is 0, here is 1, right? We are going to have what? 2 times 5 raised to the power of what? 1 plus what? 3 times 5 raised to the power of what? 0. Are we together? Now that therefore give us S base 10 equals to 2 times what? 5, right? Plus what? 3 times 1. That equals 10, Abi, plus 1. S base 10. S base 10 is equal to what? Sorry, 3 times 1 is what? 3. So 10 plus 3 is what? 13 base 10. So therefore means that the value, therefore, S is equal to what? 13. That's your answer. Are we together?
Yeah.
So now, let's solve the third question. The third question. Now, we are given 1, 3 base 10 plus 2, 4 base 10 equals to what? 4, 1 base 10. So the question is if you look for M, right? So we have what? Call the question again. 1, 3 base 10
Plus
24 base 10
equal to 4 1 base
4, 1 base 1. Remember that it is only base 10. You call it 13. Since the base is not known, you call it 1, 3. In this case, you are not permitted to call it 2, 3 because the base is not in base 10. So what are we going to call it? 2, 3. So note that correction. Are we together?
Yes.
So now let's continue. So now let's number 0, 1 Now let's go. 1 times m raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times m raised to the power of what? 0 plus 2 times m raised to the power of 1 plus what? 4 times what? M raised to the power of 0 equal to 4 times m raised to the power of 1 plus what? 1 times m raised to the power of 0. Right? So now let's go. 1 times what? M plus what? 3 times what? 1 plus 2 times what? M plus 4 times what? 1 equal to 4 times what? M plus 1 times what? 1. Right? So we have M. 1 times M is M plus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 3 is what? 2M plus 4 times 1 is what? 4 equals to 4 times M is what? 4M plus what? Plus 1. So let's try to define the left hand side, to define the right hand side to make it less complicated. So we have M here, right? So M plus 2M is what? 3 what? 3M plus 3 plus 4 is what? 7. Now let's divide. We only have 4M, right? Plus what? Plus 1. Now let's make the unknown one side and all the constant one side. So let's make M. All the value of M come to what? The left hand side. Are you together? So we are going to have 3M. Now we are bringing 4M. Remember that an invisible plus here, right?
Yeah.
When we bring 4M, they become minus 4M, right?
Yes.
So we have what? Minus 4M equals to 1, right? Take plus 7 over. We call what? Minus 4. Minus 7, right? So 3M minus 4. Now you have 3 naira and someone wants to borrow. How much are you still is the person thinking? 1, right? So we have what? Minus 1M equal to 1 minus 7 is what? Minus 6. So they ask us to look for M, right? 1 minus M, is it? So what I'm going to do, divide both sides by minus 1, right? So divide here by minus 1, divide here by minus 1. So when we need to come up here, we are going to be having minus 1 cancel minus 1, right? So we let go M equals to minus cancel minus 6 divided by 1 is equal to what? 6. So therefore means that M, if we are having 1 3 base 6 plus 2 3 4 base 6 equals to what? 4 1 base 4 6. Now you can confirm that if you are correct. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 7. 7 divided by 6. 1 and what? 1. Isn't it? You can see. Now find 1. 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 carry 4. So that's it. So now let's come to the first one. Are we together? How to do this part, right? Okay. Now let's the first one. Now, what does the first one say? 1 2 5 base S is equal to 20 base what? 10. So we are not considering nothing concerning us with here, right? So we have to divide here. Remember here 0 1 2, right? So we are going to have 1 times S raised to the power of what? This one will take us to quadratic equation plus 2 times S raised to the power of 1, right? Plus what? 5 times S raised to the power 0 equals to what? 20. Are we together? Since this is base 7, we can find by 10. Are we together? So we have 1 times S squared plus 2 times S plus 5 times 1 equals to what? 20. So having S squared plus what? 2S plus what? 5 equals to what? 20. So correct item, we have S squared plus what? 2S plus what? 5 minus 20 equals to what? Equals to 0, isn't it? So that is what S squared plus what? Plus 2S minus what? Minus 15 equals to what? 0. So, and let's solve this one. Let's solve this quadratic equation. Let's solve this one quadratic equation. Now I want to do this side, please. So I am having S raised by 2 plus what? 2S, right? Minus what? 15 equal to 0. So if you understand how to solve the quadratic equation, let's check if we can simplify this using factorization method. Is there any two numbers that when we add them, considering the same also, When we add up, we have plus 2 and we have minus 5. Yes, right? Minus 15. Yes, we have minus 5 and plus 3. Please look at it. Minus 5 plus 3. Sorry, no, go for me. It's going to be plus 5, right? And minus 3. Isn't it?
Yes.
Maybe like plus 5 and minus 3 and plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 is equal to what? Plus 2. Minus 3 times 5 is equal to what? Minus 15. So it therefore means that we are going to use minus 3 and plus 5 to replace this. Are we together? So we have what? S squared. Are we together? Now minus 3s plus what? 5s minus 15 equals to what? 0. So put here into bracket, leave the sign at the center. So what is common between s squared and minus 3s? S, right? So put s outside. S squared divided by s give us what? S minus 3ab plus 5 bracket to put s minus what? 3 equals to what? Equals to 0. Remember in quadratic equation, whenever you are factorizing, whenever you are simplifying a quadratic equation by factorization method, for you to know that you are correct, the value inside the bracket must be what? The same. So if that is a sign that you are on the track, right? So now let's continue. Now bring P1 of the bracket s minus 3. Now what I ask, I put them into bracket, you have s plus what? Plus 5 equals to what? Equals to 0. Are we together? Now if you continue from there, now this thing means s minus 3 bracket times this equals to 0. Remember that for the product of two numbers to be 0, for the product of two numbers to be 0, it means that either one of them is equal to 0, right? So if I say that a times b, or a is greater than a times b, if I say that a is equal to 0, it means that either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 for this statement to be what? For this statement to be true. True or false? True. So if I have s minus 3 in bracket, multiply s plus 5 in bracket equal to 0. For this statement to be true, it means that either s minus 3 is equal to 0 or s plus 5 is equal to what? Equal to 0. True or false? True or false? True. So now let's open the bracket. So if we make s under formula in each of them, we are going to be having s is equal to 3, right? Minus 3 plus equal to equals sign. We have plus 3, right? Or s equals to what? Minus 1, minus 5. Now we now have two values for what? For s. But which of them? Is correct? Right? Now, for you to know the one that will correct, this simple trick will give you the word, will give you the answer. What you need to know, the base of a number can never be what? Negative. Are we together? The base of what? In a number base system, you can never have a base word to be negative. So for that reason, s equals to 5 can never be our cannot be our answer. So therefore our answer s equals to what? 3. So therefore means that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5 base s equals to 20 base s is 1, 2, 3 base 3 equals to what? 20. Are we together? So s is equals to what? 3. Are we together? So now let's solve the fifth one. The fifth one is very simple. Are we together? Now I want to do that side. We have the 5 base s plus 5 2 base s equal to 7 base 1 base 10. Are we together? Now let's continue, please. Now let's continue. We have 5 base s, right? Plus what? 5 2 base s equal to 77, right? Base 10. I call it 77 because it is in base 10, right? So where are here 0 1 0 1? Let's go. Since here is only base 10, we have no business with this, right? Now let's continue. 5 times s raised to power 1 plus 5 times s raised to power 0 plus 5 times s raised to power 1 plus 2 times s raised to power 0 equal to 77. Remember the base 10. Are you clear? Since you already know that it is 10. So now let's go. 5 times what? S. S raised to power 1 is s, right? Plus 5 times what? 1 plus 5 times what? S plus 2 times 1 equal to what? 77. Are we together? Please, I want to change the marker. Now let's continue. We have 5 what? 5x plus what? Plus what? Plus what? Equal to what? So 5x, that equals 10x, right? 5, 2, that equals what? 7. Equal to what? 77. So make 10, let's try make 10 for your formula. Remember, they are taking us to one linear equation. True or false? So we are going to have what? 10x equal to what? 77 minus what? 7. 10x is equal to what? 7 what? 70, right? So how go to divide both sides by 10? Divide both sides by what? By 10. So x is equal to what? 7. So it therefore means that this operation was carried out in what? In base 7. Are we together? So now let's solve the last one. The last one, the 6th one, which says if 6r involved 5r if
6r plus 6r plus
if 6r7 I put on if 6r7 base 8 is equal to what? 5 1 base 1 9. So we are going to convert both of them to base 10, right? So that will give us what? 0 1 2 abi 0 1 2. So now let's go. 6 times 8 raised to power 2 plus r times 8 raised to power 1 plus 7 times 8 raised to power 0 equal to 5 times 9 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 9 raised to power 1 plus 9 times plus 4 1 times 9 raised to power 0. So now let's continue. We have 6 times what? 64 abi plus r times what? 8 plus 7 times what? 1 equal to 5 times what? 81 plus what? 1 times 9 plus 1 times what? 1. 6 times 64 is what? 6 times 64 will give us what? 384. 384, right? 384 plus 8r plus what? 7 equal to 81 times 5 405, right? 405 plus 9 plus what? 1. So let's define the left hand side and the right hand side differently. 384 plus 7, that will give us what? 391 3, right? Plus what? 8 what? 8r. Confirm 384 plus 7. Is it 393? 391. Sorry for that mistake. So we are going to have the 405 plus 9 plus 1 is what? 415, right? 4 what? 415. So we are going to collect items. So if we should continue, we are going to be having 8r equals to 415, right? Minus what? 391. That will give us what? 21, 24. So making r solve your formula by dividing both sides by 8. 8 will have r equals to what? 3. So it therefore means that 3 was the value that was replaced by what? That was replaced by r. So with that we have come to an end of this one, of this class. So that is it for what? For equation leading to what? For normal base leading to what? Equation. So I believe from this you can help to solve any other thing related to this. So you just remember the simple trick. If the base, whether it is as long as you are given a equation and whether the digit on the base is placed by a letter, what you need to do is that try to convert it to what? Base 10. During the process, the two will factor itself as leading to either linear equation, quadratic equation, or simultaneous equation. In that case, you now need to use your idea of what the equations of what simplification of equation to what to solve. But if it's already base 10, any of them is already base 10 as in example 4, leave it and find the letter that are not word in base 10 and you get your answer. So with that, we have come to an end of this one or this lesson. So meet you in our next class. Bye for now.